Hi guys, and welcome to the Smart Investor channel. On this video, we are going to review the best checking account available in the US according to our research. We will review the pros and cons of each bank account, understand what are the unique features of it, and learn how to pick up the right checking account for your needs. Let's start. Will you benefit more with a major bank whose ATM and branch locations are all over the United States? Would you be needing more of an online bank that allows you to deposit and transfer funds electronically? A good checking account is one with low or no fees, has access to an extensive ATM network, with a low opening balance requirement, and other features that work for you. Throw in an interest-earning feature, if you can find one. If you're after a good experience, you may want to check the bank's customer service ratings and client reviews. These are important factors that can dictate the quality of your interaction with a bank. Here are the Smart Investor Select's picks for the top checking accounts. Keep in mind that due to the expected interest rate hikes, the APYs may be a bit different, but the differences between banks are expected to be the same. 1. Axos Bank. There are 5 types of checking accounts available with Axos Bank. These are Essential Checking. This account has no monthly fee or overdraft fees. There is no minimum balance requirement, and you can enjoy unlimited domestic ATM fee reimbursements. Axos Bank can also allow you to receive direct deposit funds up to 2 days early. Rewards Checking. The Reward Checking account has a $50 minimum balance, and it offers all the benefits of Essential Checking, but there is a higher APY of 1%. However, to receive the full rate, you need to use your Axos debit card for 10 plus transactions a month and receive at least $1,000 a month by direct deposit. Cashback Checking. This account offers 1% cashback on all shopping purchases requiring a signature. It has no monthly fees and offers unlimited check writing privileges. First Checking. This is designed for children aged 13 to 17 to help them learn good money management skills. The account offers 0.10% APR with no monthly or overdraft fees. There are daily transaction limits, and parents can also impose account restrictions. Golden Checking. This account is open to people aged 55 plus. There is a $50 minimum balance, but you'll earn 0.10% APR on any balances. All checking accounts provide access to the Axos Bank digital tools, including online bill pay and free mobile banking. 2. Discover. Discover checking accounts offer unique offerings for your banking needs. Discover checking accounts allow you to earn cashback rewards. You earn 1% cashback on up to $3,000 in debit card purchases monthly. This is a unique feature along with their lack of charging fees with their checking accounts. There are no fees for your account maintenance, ordering checks, in-network ATM use, online bill pay, or replacement debit cards. Discover checking accounts also have no minimum balance requirements or activity requirements. This largely benefits the customer by eliminating excessive fees, while incorporating incentives to open an account. It is simple to deposit paper checks as well. Discover uses a mobile app where you can easily track your spending, move your money, and deposit paper checks. These are exclusive features through Discover that just a few amongst the many features are offered to satisfy their customer. If you prefer online banking, instead of traveling to a physical banking branch, then this is the right bank for you. Your mobile deposit is secure, and you're never held responsible for any unauthorized transactions. 3. Capital One. The Capital One 360 checking accounts are mostly used and operated online for your optimal convenience. You can easily pay your bills, get your cash, making deposits, and transfer your money without the added stress of a monthly fee. This allows you to condense your banking work without extra trips to your local bank. You can easily open your checking account online and manage your account securely by signing onto your phone or computer. You do not have to rely on waiting for your bank to open. The hours are entirely at your disposal, which offers increased flexibility and user-based tools. Another added benefit of opening a Capital One 360 checking account is the zero fees when opening a checking account. There are no fees when opening, keeping, or using your Capital One 360 account domestically or for foreign transactions. This is extremely helpful and beneficial to a traveling and busy adult. There are also many other additions to this service. You can receive overnight check delivery, overnight delivery of a replacement card, and requests to stop payments. All of these are great improvements to your banking experience that limit any unnecessary stress. 4. Ally. The Ally Bank interest checking accounts is a singular checking account that offers a tiered interest rate structure. The yields vary depending on your minimum daily balance in your account. There are no monthly maintenance fees with your checking account. You can access your checking account in more than 43,000 ATMs through the Allpoint network. You can also deposit your checks remotely through your phone and computer. This allows you to stay connected and update your finances regardless of your location. Your checking accounts also come with free checks and debit cards, which is an added bonus. Some positive aspects of the Ally Bank checking account system are the ability to earn interest on your daily balance. You do not need a minimum deposit, and there are 0 monthly fees. Along with the lack of monthly fees, there are no added costs to having standard checks or debit cards. Along with the positive benefits of having an Ally Bank checking account, there are also limited overdraft fees that are below the national average. You must be aware of your balance because you cannot incur more than one overdraft fee in a single day. Now, besides reviewing the top bank accounts, it's important to understand how to make the smartest choice for your needs. How to choose a checking account. Since most banks offer multiple checking account options, choosing the right account for your needs can be a little tricky. However, there are some simple ways to identify the best accounts for you. 1. Set your goals. What do you want to achieve in opening a new checking account? Are you looking for easier ways to manage your finance? Are you looking for higher rates on your savings? What do you expect in terms of digital experience? Do you plan to get a mortgage soon? Do you already have a credit/debit card, or it's something you would like to get as part of your new checking account? Those questions are crucial before you shop around, since every bank offers different banking options for different purposes. So make sure you know what you want before you start comparing. 2. Understand your options. There are multiple types of checking accounts, so you first need to determine the type of account that is best for your requirements. Standard checking. This is a basic checking account that typically offers features, including a debit card and direct deposits. High interest checking. Unlike many checking accounts, this type allows you to earn interest on any balance. Cashback checking. These types of accounts help you to earn a little on your purchases, so you may earn 1% cash back on spending up to a limit each month. Other checking. These are designed specifically for certain types of customers. So there are students, seniors, business checking accounts, etc. Once you know which type of account you're looking for, you can start to narrow down your choices. 3. Shop around. Next, you need to think about whether you want to open your checking account with an online institution or at a traditional bricks-and-mortar bank. There are many online institutions offering all the benefits of a traditional bank, but often offering high interest, cashback, or other incentives. However, if you like being able to visit a branch if you have any queries, you're likely to prefer a high street bank. You also need to consider the accessibility. Many banks allow free ATM withdrawals, but you must use their ATM network. So you need to ensure that your chosen institution has branches and ATMs in your neighborhood. Another aspect of accessibility is whether there is an app to manage your account, or if you can access your account online. 4. Review. Now, it's time to review every aspect that may be important for you, based on your needs. Review the different fees associated with the account and make sure all the details are clear and there are no surprises. Lastly, ask the right questions in any case of any doubt. Pros and cons of a checking account. Like any financial product, there are both positives and negatives associated with checking accounts. It is important to be aware of these before you make a decision about any product. FDIC insurance. First of all, your money is very safe in an FDIC-insured account, which all legitimate banks are a part of. They will protect your account up to $250,000, so you will not need to worry about your money there. Tracking. With your checking account, you will have a record of deposits and your spending. This can be a great help for budgeting, as you can see where your money is going. Some checking accounts also allow you to set limits on your debit card to more easily manage your money. Easy access to funds. With a debit card, ATM, online transfers, and direct debits, there are multiple ways to access your funds from your account. Extra benefits. From no fees account, overdraft protection, and promotions, many checking accounts offer great perks. Little to no interest. Any funds you have in your checking account will earn little to no interest. This can be a little frustrating if there is a period between your paycheck arriving in your account and your expenses being withdrawn. Account minimums. Some accounts require that you receive a minimum amount into the account each month, or you may need to keep a minimum balance. Fees. You will also need to consider that your checking account may attract fees. The most common are overdraft fees, monthly maintenance fees, and ATM fees. How much money should I keep in my checking account? Since checking accounts don't typically pay much interest, but you may need to keep a minimum balance in the account, how much money you should keep in your checking account can be tricky. Generally speaking, you should aim to keep 1 to 2 months of your living expenses in your checking account, with a 30% buffer for unexpected expenses. It is a good idea to keep a spending log for 2 or 3 months to track how much you typically spend in a month. Don't forget to include payments automatically deducted from your account and your card purchases. Once you have an idea of how much you spend in an average month, you can ensure that you keep sufficient funds in your account and avoid any costly overdraft fees. Just remember to also consider if your account has a minimum balance and factor this into your calculations. How to minimize checking account fees. The fees associated with checking accounts can vary depending on the financial institution and specific account terms. Typically, you will need to consider monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, and ATM surcharges. Fortunately, there are some ways to avoid or minimize the charges on your checking account. Maintain the minimum balance. Many of the major banks will waive monthly maintenance fees if you keep a minimum balance in the account. This may take the form of an average daily balance or the balance on the last billing cycle day. Use direct deposit. Another effective way to avoid checking account fees is to have your paycheck or other forms of income automatically deposited into your account via direct deposit. This is a great option if you would struggle to maintain the minimum balance. However, you need to be aware that many banks require a minimum direct deposit amount to qualify discounts. Some groups, such as senior citizens, students, or veterans, can qualify for discounted or waived service fees. Open savings accounts. You may also be able to avoid paying checking account fees by opening up other accounts with the same bank. Some banks will waive the fee if you open a savings account. This can also help you to more efficiently manage your money, as you can quickly and easily transfer surplus cash into an interest-bearing account. Choose a fee-free bank. Finally, look for banks or financial institutions that offer a free checking account. These are often loss leaders for the financial institution, and you may be encouraged to open a savings account, loan, or credit card account. Typically, fee-free accounts are offered by online banks and credit unions, but traditional brick-and-mortar banks may offer similar products to compete. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. On our website, you can find side-by-side credit card comparisons, extensive reviews, and full guides that can help you maximize your credit card rewards or build credit responsibly. What is your favorite bank account? We would love to know your thoughts, so feel free to share them on the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the best financial videos as soon as they go live.